Posting the participant link to your classroom is something that will only be done a day or two before classes begin, and this is done for a variety of reasons. We have a test classroom that students can use to test their settings and make sure they can get in, but it's important because you'll be working in your class that you do not provide access to it more than a day or two early before classes begin. So to post that participant link, you're going to be referring to the email that you got from us that should look something like this. It has links for your classroom, and there are three very important links. We have the moderator or the teacher link. This is only for you. We have the participant or the student link. This is what we're going to post in just a moment. And then we have the playback table, which is where you will get your recordings. And there is a separate recording on how to post your recordings in your classroom after your classes have started. So we are going to start with a content block here in Haiku, and right now there's just text that says click here to enter the classroom, and that's what it will look like until it's time. And if you don't want them to think that there should be something there, you can post something like link to classroom will be here or something like that, so that they know that the link isn't there, is not active yet, but it will be. So when it's time, click to enter classroom, or however you want to do it. Some people use images, they get fancy, but this is a basic way to do a link. We really prefer that you not put the whole big long link, that there is a small, that you actually do it this way so that the long URL, the long address to get to the classroom, is hidden. So you highlight the whole thing, and you click here on link, and then you select that you have a website, and you will come over here and you're going to highlight this entire link. You're going to Control C, so I'm using my keyboard shortcut, Control C to copy it, and then I'm coming back over here and I'm going to Control V. Now it's Command C and Command V if you're on a Mac, so the Control C and Control V are if you're on a PC. And then I'm going to select OK, and you'll see that it's now an active link. And then I'm going to click Save. Now I highly require in fact, that you actually click and test that link, and you should see an option appear, and you can type in a test there, because you want to make sure that when your students click on that link that you haven't posted the wrong link, that you didn't miss anything, that it actually works, and when they click on it they will go into your classroom. So to verify that it's your classroom, you have to actually test it, go through the whole process, and you'll see that you are in as a student. And you should see, if you have a default whiteboard, that will be up, and you should see your name across the top so that you know that this is your classroom. Testing that link is crucial once you have posted it, so that you don't have problems the first day with students not being able to get into class like they need to. All right, that's it. Posting your link for your students a day or two before classes, and the testing so that day one goes smoothly.